How long has launch a mobile app been on your roadmap? More than likely, a while. And it keeps wasting away in the maybe someday pile. But the objection that keeps pushing it back is probably based on how apps got built 5 years ago, not how they get built today. The first thing that comes to mind when someone says build a mobile app is a massive project. Months of development, a dedicated team, 6 figures minimum. You've seen the proposals. And the bigger concern isn't even the build. It's everything that comes after. You've got 20, 30, maybe 40 third-party tools running on your site right now. Algolia for search, Nosto or Rebuy for personalization, Recharge for subscriptions, all of it wired together. Building an app the traditional way means rebuilding every one of those integrations inside a completely separate system, then maintaining them in parallel, forever. Now that's not a mobile app project, that's a second storefront, and no one has the bandwidth for that. So the app stays on your roadmap, but it's pushed to the next quarter. Again, here's the thing though, those objections are based on how apps used to get built. Custom development or a no-code app builder that connects through APIs and renders your store in templates, which still means rebuilding most of your integrations and maintaining a separate system. But there's a third approach that doesn't exist when most of those assumptions were formed. Instead of rebuilding your store for mobile, you take the store you already have, one with all your integrations, all your customizations, and the actual checkout flow, and extend it into a native app. Nothing to rebuild and nothing to maintain separately. Your search filters still work, your loyalty widgets still show up, and your personalization engine still runs. If it works on your website, it works in the app. That's what MobiLoud does. MobiLoud turns your existing site into a native iOS and Android app. Every integration carries over automatically. When a tool updates on your site, it updates in the app. There's no parallel system, no integration backlog, and no engineering hours. MobiLoud's team handles the build, the App Store submissions, and the maintenance, and helps you launch a fully featured app in about 4 weeks. So, that app that's been sitting on your roadmap for 6 quarters, you can finally show it off to the board and to your customers. It's time to finally tick that box and launch an app that your brand deserves. Go to MobiLoud.com to learn more about how to make it happen.